In last section, I talked about what is module in Node.js, global object in Node.js, then how to do export and import in Node.js, and then module wrapper function in Node.js. In this section, I'll talk about core module in Node.js. Well, when you work at client side using JavaScript, then it is limited within the browser. But Node.js run in the local machine or any other server, and its environment is different from browser. Here we work with operating system or file system or network, etc. Before some other videos, I talked about global object, then module wrapper function, but Node.js is not limited within this global object or module wrapper function. When you install Node.js, then some built-in modules come with during installation. These built-in modules are known as core module. For example, to get information about operating system, there is a built-in core module which is OS. Here OS means operating system. After that, then path module is used to work with file and directories path. Then fs module is used to create file, update file, delete file or read file, etc. Well, now question is how to use this core module. To use the core module, first of all, we need to import a core module. In this case, we do not need to provide core module file path. We just need to provide core module name. For example, we'll import operating system related core module. Then we just need to pass core module name. In this case, it is OS. Here OS means operating system. There are many built-in core module comes with during Node.js installation. Out of them, I'll talk about some built-in core module. Once you understand them properly, you can explore other built-in core module easily by reading documentation. I'll show you how to read documentation at the end of section. In this section, I'll talk about OS module, then path module, then FS module, then events module, and finally HTTP module. So that's all about core module introduction, and that's all for this lecture. I'll see you in next video.